Hey guys, we received this daily sponge holder for test and try. So this is for the kitchen sink with a strong suction cup and a rustful aluminium sink caddy for sponges. So let me just open the box and show it to you. So this is for the kitchen sink and the removable sponge holder where you can just put the wet sponge and it will drain up. So you can see a really nice metal quality here. Let me just take out this protective sheet so I can put it on the sink. So this, be careful, take this out, a really protective one. And then once this is out, you can easily put on the sink. So overall, the quality wise, this is really nice. As you can see, all the metal, you can change the little bit height stuff and the quality, but quality is really nice. So let me just put on the sink. So you just push it and it's done. Really nice sponge holder.